40.63. And remember, our lowest point we are targeting is 66. So this is still very, very valid. That this is the last swing that we are looking at. Where is market likely to get? And the question is, how long is he able to do that? That's where you now tell yourself what you intend to do with the trade, right? You want to do a long-term trade because I don't know how long this is gonna. It might play out today, it might play out tomorrow, but there's a high chance that it's gonna drop into this area. Yeah. In fact, I think I'll need to mark that out. Let me just mark it out here first. I have a trade running, but let me mark that zone out so that I can have an eye on it later. Right. So from this point to this point, just to have the zone sweating. What the heck is wrong with you, man? So this low, we have to label it 6-1, right? Yeah, so 6-3 there. I'm saying 6-1 here. Okay. In this case, every point matters here. Let me just label this zone, right? Um, Let me delete this. Any point that will confuse us. We don't need that. So this is the zone we are looking at. Um, so target. Um, Guys, for this something. Wait, let me see. Okay, I have this now. I'm coming. Yeah. Okay. So I can get whatever I want to write. Mm, it should be 4 hours, right? So that's it. We also have it here and watch and see how it plays out. So that's what I'm looking. I just need to leave it in this color so that I won't get confused. Yeah. So that's it about it. So back to this point. So why is he making this move? So since we've gotten areas we are looking at or areas of concern on this lower time frame, this guy just moving. Okay, now why is he making this move now? Let's see. He's coming back with respect to this area. 30, 27. Okay, this is 630. 630. That's all the 630 has to offer now. So 630 has to offer. It's pushing forward. So as you can see, still it has not been able to break this low yet. So it's giving a bullish move right here. Though one clear thing is that I would want this if this high is broken, then um whatever we're expecting might not play out as we expect it. If this high is broken, then For this trend to be sustained, I wouldn't want this high to be broken. I wouldn't want the price to get beyond 4-1. Yeah, I want to get the price to get beyond 4-1-3-1. So, so let's watch it and see. Something. It's pushing aggressively upwards though. I don't know why. Well, let's watch and see. Let's see what was the one thing is 7 o'clock said. So we have a zone we are looking at. We don't want this area to go. This on the 5 minutes time frame. Yeah. So I'll push however it is hopefully, yeah. By the time this 15 minutes candle is over. But if you look at it, it's quite this move is necessary anyway, right? Low, high, low. It needs to tap into this. This is a large imbalance somehow. Yeah, that needs to be respected. On the 1 minute time frame, let me see if I can see anything of interest. On the 1 minute time frame, this one like, will I say other block, right? It's more like what I'll call it. And it came right in there and it's pushing downwards. So however it is, I wouldn't want price above this zone. Yeah, I wouldn't want price above this zone. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. It's been crazy. Like since when? Since okay, yesterday basically. Yesterday wasn't yesterday was a weird day. Somehow it's still pushing up. I entered a trade at 4122. Yeah, entered a trade at 4122. I have an SL at 4131. Now why did I enter at 4122? Because of um yeah, because of this. Yeah, because of trying to figure out why I entered the trade at 4122 now. And that was a pullback. I think there was a pullback around here. Yeah, this was a pullback basically for 122. It's crazy though. Let's see. Let's see. We have this zone. My next area of interest is this high here. So these are places I have my stops basically. So these are areas I have my stops above this and above this. Yeah. So for this momentum to be sustained, sellers needs to push back on that's like the most important thing. But however it is, this is a clear bullish move anyway. It's a clear reversal, which is supposed to be a pullback, yeah, on a higher time frame. So on the 1 minute time frame, it will seem like a bullish move. But let's see what 7 p.m. will be the deciding time. Whatever happens by 7 p.m., that would give us an idea of what will happen by what's it called? London Open. Right. Now another interesting thing is this, yeah. This is Asian high and low, right? Now, as the trend is bar, I don't expect the market to come back up here to sweep this Asian high. I'm not expecting that. I'm not really expecting that. All I'm looking out for is um more or less, let me even if you let's see let's even see something. This Asian high and low. Okay, looking at the Asian high and low sale right now, the market is basically at the midpoint. All right. Market is actually at the midpoint. Yeah. Swept a little bit by by 4. So far as today is concerned, yeah, this is like the highest point of the market and the lowest point. And this is the midpoint. Yeah. So what I expect right now is for this zone to be broken. Yeah. To be broken. Since it ended, like the candle ended at the midpoint. If I'm able to get like one full candle of this very move, yeah, it's just gonna be like it's gonna be like a Dutch. Can I draw it? I don't know if I can draw it. It's going to be like a Dutch, right? A Dutch. That's what it's gonna be like. A Dutch. Because market started here. Where did it even start, sir? Yeah, it started here. Did a gap down, sold, then came back to close at the middle point. So London will be the deciding candle. Yeah. So I expect London to break this low, of course, do a little pullback. Then what's it called? Um New York will complete the move. That's basically what I'm expecting today. For yesterday, this is what happened. I didn't even see this. Yeah. I was on a sell on this very trade, basically. This for yesterday, yeah. The Asian high and low. Yeah. Market started here. This was the highest point, close a little bit close to the top. So it was a bullish Asian session yesterday. Um, London tested the 50%. Yeah, London opened. Yeah, tested the 50%. Yeah, played around a little bit. Then for New York, just before New York, right? By 1:30, it came in. You can see it here. Tapped into the Fibonacci zone and of course skyrocketed. So if you observe most of, so that's what actually happened. Yeah. So today the case is different. This is bearish. I'm expecting a bearish move. Yeah. So it's not always the case. So it's not always the case. Sometimes just like Tuesday, market kept buying aggressively. Use the top of Asian this thing as support to keep buying. Yeah, so the cases are different. So the main thing is just to understand. Okay, this one is similar to yesterday. As Monday move is similar. Right? What happened? We tested the 50% and bought. Look at it. Similar. Tested the 50%. Yeah. Market it started, gave a low, ended bullish. Was a bullish session, yeah. So had to come down, then buy. Yeah, this was exactly what happened. This was London. London came in, um, sold to the bought to the top. Then what's it called? New York. It should be New York, but yeah. New York started around wherever, sold back into the zone, then blah 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 blah. Started moving up. So, anyways, that's just it about it. Let's observe and see how it plays out. That's just what I'm interested in right now. Just keep selling. Yeah. See, this candle decide here. I would want this candle, this is set candle to close well. Right, if it closes well, 6:45 would follow suit. Then hopefully 7 a.m. would push it to the low of the Asia. So like that. So that's it about it, great man. They just me just analyzing the markets. What I'm saying. To know if you are seeing the same thing I'm seeing. What are you seeing, Chief? What are you seeing on this very low now? Yeah. 22. Yeah. What are you seeing? Seen anything? Bam, bada, bam, bada, bam, 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 bam. Well.